Well, happy Wednesday. It's hump day. Today is one of those days that I just forced myself to be very patient and wait for a good setup. You know, all it takes is one good trade, one bad trade to kind of make or break your day or put you in the right direction. And so being patient and just waiting for those A+ setups that you really like and that workout is what matters. So we're going to go ahead and recap today's trading from my live stream, which happens at 8:30 a.m. Central Time every morning on my main channel, Trades by Matt. This was done on my 20, 50K Apex funded accounts. You can use code TBM for the best discount always. Right now it's 80% off with 1 day to pass, which means the minimum time required is 1 day and $85 lifetime activation fees. Let's dive into the trading session. Yo, good morning. How we doing, chat? All right, everybody. We had some news this morning. We had CPI come out, 2.6, which was the forecast. The rest of the session, we got nothing really. We got some Fed heads talking through like noon. Tomorrow, PPI at 7:30. Jobless claims, 7:30. So tomorrow will be kind of interesting in the morning as well. All righty. Anyways, we got overnight lows at 21,100. Overnight highs up at 21,140 or 240. Excuse me. That's where the right after the news high was. Just kind of melting through it. I imagine that we retrace back to 130 pretty quickly if we can get the review up. Coming outside of yesterday's IB bands, we're right on yesterday's value area low and VWAP. It's another VWAP open, it looks like. Hopefully we still expand out a little bit, but it's fairly tight up here so far. So pretty choppy the last 3 days. We'll see what today brings. Yesterday ended up being all right, and we'll see what today brings. So let's have a good day, yeah? Good luck. Be smart, be patient. Got a minute and a half till the market opens up here, and let's play the environment that's given to us, yeah? Okay, opening range, not even 30 points yet, chat. Or, excuse me, initial balance, not even 30 points yet. It's kind of wild. I still want to see us just trade down to 135 or so. Retrace all of CPI. And then it probably goes back to VU up. 63-point range? I know. 30 minutes into the day, 60 points top to bottom is tough. Almost 30 minutes into the day. All right, chat, if you haven't, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Maybe we can, maybe the dad joke will turn this market around. So let's get to 420 thumbs up. Do it quick. Click it right now. In the next 2 minutes, let's get lit. And I think if we can get lit before 9 o'clock and I can read out the dad joke, then the market makers will have a sympathy laugh for us and we'll move a little bit. Here's my 2 requests for you market makers that are watching. 1, let me read the dad joke and let's get some movement out of it. And 2, for the love of God, please, if price hits my exit, please just fill me out this time, okay? It's a simple request. I understand missing it by a tick and whatever, but this time, for the love of God, if it actually just hits, if it hits my target, please just go ahead and just fill me out, all right? That'd be great. That was less than a tick. No, that was like, it literally hit, it hit and did not fill. I mean, it's not a market order up there, so it's got to conduct however many, it needs to conduct more than one contract, I guess, for like the rhythmic engines or whatever. So it literally went up there and just never filled me out. So yeah. That would be great. I know it's a big ask, but please. All right, it's lit, chat. Well done. It's lit. It's lit. Right back up to VWAP too. It's perfect. All right, market makers, here's the joke. In case you want to, you know, give us some action. Here's the joke for today. November 13th, Wednesday. It's hump day. The shovel was a groundbreaking invention. And on that note, we're probably going to chop forever. Draw the trend line, Matt. Save us. Fine. I don't really know where to draw this top one. Yeah, why not? Why not there? That looks like a channel. Why not? Why not one time? One time after reading the dad joke. Why not? Let's go fill that block at 105. Good enough? Yeah, I think so too. Let's go! One time! I knew the market makers wanted it. I knew 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 it. They just wanted a dad joke, man. This is why we have to get lit early, chat. You get lit early and you have good volatility all session. If you wait for 30 minutes to get lit, then we're stuck in chop mode until we finally get lit and we read the dad joke out, and then it finally moves. Matt, how do you approach all the untested wicks we have? I don't at all. Not in a chop zone, man. Untested wicks are beautiful in like a nice, very trendy, big move. In this type of stuff, I wouldn't touch it with a 69-foot pole. I mean, I do like the continuation to the downside into that 105 block. It's just like, do I want to short the bottom of the range? Not really. 120 short could be kind of interesting for the push into 105, but like the risk to reward there is just not there for me. It's like I'm taking a 120 short for 15 points into the block of 05. I'm looking for 10 out of that, obviously, but like the upside pain in a 140 is very much there. All right, we got some blocks down below, liquidity down below. I like the continuation here. This is good. We're finally kind of moving out of VWAP. Is this going to be the type of move where it's like straight up chop and then just a full-on melt with no option for entry, and then a V bottom with also no option for entry? Those are my favorite. 1 minute left on this candle. I wouldn't say it's looking I don't really know what it's looking like. Not super aggressive on the sell side. Missed that by 3 ticks. Got filled there. I'm gonna go and move that break even. 5 points up. Stopped break even. Got to what? 6 points maybe. Just a scratch trade. Wanted a little bit more continuation there. I don't think it was very far-fetched to be honest to try and pop these highs right into this low. I don't think that was very far-fetched at all. I feel fine with taking risk off the table there very quickly. I mean, it's a scratch trade, so I think we popped this. There we go. Let's see. I would have gotten filled right here. I would have just gotten filled. So I could have left it. I could have kept it as like an 8-point stop and gotten filled fully, but I'd rather just take the risk off because I was a little uncertain if we were going to snap 90 or not. This feels like it's wants to pop to me. I just don't want to buy it at 100, man. Got volume here now too. Just came in, point of control. I kind of like the idea of this 85 buy. I talked about the 75 buy or 75 stop as well. This kind of play I think looks very interesting, but I think I just don't get filled. I think I'm too late. This is like something that I wanted to see when point of control came down. It happened on this flush instead, and then we just don't get the full mill. I imagine I don't know. I keep saying that. It's hard for me to imagine us not popping 120 here, but who knows? Chop is chop. Yeah, this is tough movement, guys. This is tough. I'm not loving it right now, to be perfectly honest. It's a little bit of a snoozer. I'm kind of, yeah, not loving it yet. Got a little bit of juice through 150. Also got a block at 120. Pulled to 120. So if I can get the fill, I kind of like this idea. I'm buying the top of the range. That being said, all right, there we go. I'm filled in. I like the push into VWAP. Buyers were looking pretty decent. Looking a little bit more stag right now. I like the liquidity higher. And I like this, like, I feel like a lot of times we see like the sell-off candle that just gets rebought, which is what I wanted to see here. We'll see if it actually plays out. I'm risking like 7 points. If we can get to VWAP, I think it cleans it out quick. If we can get up there, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it or not. This is what I was talking about on the push up. Let's see if on the like the sell-off candle that gets rebought near the very end of the candle. Very, very much what I was talking about. I just really want us to clean up VWAP like now. Having a hard time. I probably 95 block at 33. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. Nice. It's exactly what I wanted to happen. That was perfect. Yeah, the idea there was if you can crack the prior high and we actually get through VWAP, it's going to clean up that liquidity. You front run 150, clean up the liquidity in front of it. That's perfect. $410 per account after a break-even trade. Nice.